Hi guys, so I'm assuming you're a lawyer who wants to make their own smart contracts, and you're wondering what you'll need. So first of all, you're gonna need a place to write your code. So Remix is a great tool to use. For some odd reason, I downloaded Microsoft Virtual Studio first, and then I would type my code there, and then I would put it onto Remix. But you can just write your code onto Remix, and then you can compile it there and then deploy it onto the Ethereum blockchain. So you're going to use Solidity as the programming language. Now you can't go from, well, you can, but it's not advisable to go from non-programmer straight to Solidity. You want to go from Python or JavaScript, Python and JavaScript, and then go to Solidity, right? And then what else will you need? We've talked about Solidity, which is your programming language for drafting your smart contracts. Remix, which you're going to use for your IDE for drafting your Solidity. You're going to need Truffle, right? So it's a framework where it's the most popular framework for Solidity smart contracts. I'm not a fan of it, but you just have to say these things. I'm going to butcher this. Openzeppelin is a secure library for Solidity. You can use that as a library. Web3 is also a library to integrate front end with your smart contracts. So you're going to need that too. You're going to need Drizzle, right? A library to keep your front end up to date with smart contracts. It's a for creative user interface. And then obviously JavaScript and React. So that's pretty much what you need. And then you're on your way to drafting your own smart contract. I'm trying to finish this smart contract and this is actually my first smart contract, by the way. Don't think that I've written tons and tons of these. This is my first smart contract after learning Python and sort of coding in Python and JavaScript. This is my first smart contract. Once it's up and running, I promise you I'll show you and let you know how it went. Thanks, guys.